Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change currency on United Airlines app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your United Airlines app, and then once you're here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here what you need to do is you listen to your accounts. Now all you got to do is scroll down and then tap on settings. Now once you're logged in here, you'll find the option that says currency or region. Tap on currency and select your preferred currency from the available option. United Airlines typically offers USD, but if you are in a different country or traveling internationally, it may allow the other currencies such as Euro, GBP, etc. Once you have selected your preferred currency, the app should automatically update and display prices in chosen currencies. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.